I would love it. After Sapa, we returned to Hanoi by limousine van and spent a few nights near West Lake. From there, Ninh Binh is roughly 100 kilometers south. We chose a private car, although a reputable bus or limousine service would probably have been just as comfortable at a lower cost. The drive also showed us how far modern Hanoi extends beyond the areas most visitors see. We stayed near Tam Coc, the main traveler area west of Ninh Binh city. Hello Banh Mi, which appears here, became one of our regular stops. Around the wharf, guest houses, cafes, and casual restaurants were all within easy walking distance. Over 2 days, we sampled 2 of the 3 boat routes at Trang A, each lasting several hours. The wider landscape is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for both natural and cultural value. The rowers often talked and laughed between boats, even while doing demanding work. Those brief exchanges gave the tour a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. Smile. Trang A is more than a scenic boat ride. Several routes include short stops at temples and shrines tucked inside the karst valleys. Stepping ashore breaks up the journey and adds a cultural dimension that photographs of the landscape can easily miss.
It's like a chicken, wet chicken.
No standing up.
These caves are what make the route feel unlike an ordinary river trip. The longest shown here is marked as 1 kilometer, so we have condensed part of the crossing. Some passages narrow until the safest posture is somewhere between a bow and beginner's yoga.
Head Down, down, down. Down.
Lay down. Look at that. That. That's cool.
Dai cave. Should get the name. Bend your head.
All the way through.
They're very good rowing. So pretty. Geez, stop it. That's not funny. Look at that. So pretty.
A football field. Is there bats in here though?
I'm videoing right now.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. And it comes out to another.
Another lake.
Slow.
As the tour neared its end, our rower brought us back to the landing. The experience had exceeded our expectations, and we left with real appreciation for her hard work and friendly manner.
Yeah. How you doing, Annabelle? Say something.
Are you doing a video then?
Yes, I'm playing a video. What do you have to say for yourself? Sorry.
So far so good. Enjoying the trip.
Yeah?
Look at this beautiful nature here. Good.
We also visited Bai Dinh, a vast Buddhist complex near Trang A. Its scale is very different from the small temple stops along the boat route, with broad halls, large bronze figures, a tall pagoda, and spaces built to receive major pilgrimages. We stopped for lunch at a restaurant that also was a combined pool and youth hostel. The food was great and the overall setting amazing. So, is Ninh Binh worth visiting? For us, yes. The Trang A boat ride alone justified the trip. The caves, temples, and unhurried pace made Ninh Binh a welcome contrast to Hanoi.